Hello. How are you?
I am good. How are you?
I am fine. Thank you. What is your name?
My name is Scarlett. What is your name?
My name is John.
Nice to meet you, John.
Nice to meet you too, Scarlett.
Where are you from?
I am from Texas. Where are you from?
I am from Los Angeles.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old. How old are you?
I am 21 years old. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is purple. What is yours?
My favorite color is blue. When is your birthday?
My birthday is on the 1st of January. When is your birthday?
October 13th.
Where do you live now?
I live in Chicago. Where do you live?
I live in Boston.
Do you go to the gym?
No, I don't. Do you go to the gym?
Yes, I do. What is your job?
I am a student. How about you?
I am a student too. Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a small dog. I love my dog. Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a pet. I have a cat, and I love my cat a lot. So, what are your hobbies?
I like watching TV series.
What is your favorite TV series?
Friends is my favorite series. I love it.
Oh really? I love watching Friends too. What is your favorite character in Friends?
My favorite character is Monica. What is yours?
Mine is Chandler. But I love all of them.
I totally agree with you. All of them are great.
Absolutely. They have a good friendship.
Yes, they have. My other favorite hobby is traveling.
Really? Where do you like to travel most?
I like travel to European countries most. For example, Germany, Italy, France.
Oh, that is nice. Actually, I want to see France. Because I really love Eiffel Tower.
Yes, you are right. Eiffel Tower is really good. It is also very big.
Awesome. Also, I want to see the pyramids.
Yes, I want to see the pyramids too. Because they are interesting and exciting.
I agree. I think pyramids have too many secrets.
Yes, people have to solve these secrets.
Exactly. The world is full of surprise.
I agree with you. I want to explore many places in the world.
Yes, I want to see them all, too.
Okay, John. I have to go. Nice to meet you again.
Nice to meet you too again, Scarlett. Take care.
Take care, bye.
Thanks for watching us.
If you want to see more beginners video, don't forget to like this video, and subscribe to our channel.
See you in the next video.